welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge. So to do that, I'm just going to press these three dots, and I'm just going to go to settings, or I think you can go to settings here. Oh no, you can't. Go to these three dots, press settings. Then you are going to go to privacy, search and services, and you are going to scroll down, and under services there is an address bar and search tab. Manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. Click on it, and as you can see, this is the default search engine used in the address bar. So for instance, I want to change it to Google, and I am just going to change it to that, and I think it automatically saves to that. Let's see. Search. Okay, it automatically goes to Google instead of Bing. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!